Gmail is broken. If you woke up this morning to hundreds of promotional emails flooding your primary inbox, you're not alone. Gmail has completely stopped filtering. Promotions, social updates, spam, everything is landing in your primary inbox. Every email has a warning that it hasn't been scanned. Here's what's happening and how to fix it. Gmail's filtering has completely stopped working since January 24th, 2026. All emails are landing directly in your primary inbox regardless of category. Promotions, social updates, newsletters, most concerning spam and phishing emails are getting through completely unscanned. Every email now shows a yellow warning banner. This is affecting everyone globally. Personal Gmail accounts, Google Workspace accounts, every device, phones, tablets, desktop. It started around 5 a.m. Pacific time in January 24th. Thousands of users reported the issue simultaneously across Reddit, Twitter, and Google's own support forums. Every email now shows this yellow warning. Be careful with this message. Gmail hasn't scanned this message for spam, unverified senders, or harmful software. This means Gmail is not checking your emails for phishing, links, malware, attachments, or spam. You need to be extremely careful with every email until this is resolved. Google's AI-powered email filtering broke. A system that automatically sorts your emails into primary, promotions, social, and updates completely failed. Google confirmed the issue on their Workspace status dashboard. Most likely cause is a faulty update to the AI scanning system, possibly connected to a smart features rollout. First, check if smart features is turned on. Open Gmail on desktop, click the gear icon, then see all settings. Go to the General tab, scroll down to Smart Features, Personalization. Make sure it's turned on. If it was already on, turn it off. Save, wait 30 seconds, turn it back on, and save again. This can sometimes reset the filtering. Your inbox tabs might have been reset. Go to Settings, click the Inbox tab. Make sure Inbox type is set to default. Below that, check the boxes for promotions, social, and updates. Click Save Changes at the bottom. If these were already checked, uncheck them. Save, then recheck them and save again. While you wait for Google's fix, you can train Gmail manually. Select the promotional emails sitting in your primary inbox. Click Move To and choose Promotions. When Gmail asks if you want to do this for future messages from that sender, click Yes. This trains the filter, so when scanning comes back online, Gmail knows where to put them. 4 things to do right now while this is broken. Turn off Gmail notifications on your phone so you're not pinged every 2 minutes. Do not click any links in suspicious emails. Phishing is getting through unscanned. Do not click unsubscribed links in email you don't recognize. Those links could themselves be phishing. And wait for Google server-side fix rather than factory resetting anything. Google has confirmed the issue on their Workspace status dashboard and said their engineering team is investigating. The fix will likely be a server-side update that rolls out automatically.